So my code is 55 and I've done graduation in electronics and communication engineering and currently I'm pursuing diploma in Bharatnatyam.
Diploma in?
Bharatnatyam from Nritya Bharati, Ahmedabad.
Preferences?
DC, AC and device B.
DC?
Assistant Commissioner,
Okay. AC, GST?
AC and GST and device B.
DY, SP.
So, how can you correlate the job DC with your education, electronics and communication? कैसे relate करेंगे इन दोनों को? Are you comfortable with Gujarati or Hindi or?
Yes.
है ना? तो इसी सब्जेक्ट જે છે એને ડેપ્યુટી કલેક્ટરની પોસ્ટ સાથે કેવી રીતે કોરિલેટ કરો છો? ક્યાં યુઝ આવશે?
સર આજનો સમય તો ડિજિટલાઇઝેશનનો જ છે તો ડિજિટલ જે પણ છે એ યુઝ થઈ શકે જેમ કે COVID-19માં પણ જેમ પેન્ડેમિક ઇંગ્લિશમાં
हाँ प्लीज गो ahead. તમે કોઈ પણ લેંગ્વેજમાં આપી શકો. Go ahead.
So like in pandemic it was a social distancing norms, so like drones has helped to see how satellite communication has helped to detect the detect how many cases are there without physical contact. There were robots also who helped in medicine delivery and various other things like distribution of systems, Aadhaar linking and ground level connections in disaster management. There are several ways that can be used.
Now, and why DYSP? Why do you want to join DYSP?
So I guess that was the third preference I kept because that are the posts that are reserved first and then I'll put the rest of the things because that are
और वो
Class
तीसरे
one
प्रेफरेंस पे
office.
क्यों लगा आपको कि आपको रखना है?
I guess because I'm not that heighted, so I guess I kept ACGST in the second position and then DYSP.
Is your this Bharatnatyam is your hobby or?
Yes, that's my hobby. And currently I'm in my 5th year of diploma. I have my Arangetram after 5 months in May.
What are the functions of deputy collector? What are the different roles they have to perform in a collector office? Have you ever visited a collector office?
No, sir.
Okay. What are the different roles they have to perform? What are their duties?
I guess they are the link between the administration and the ground level,
Right.
and they have the duty of maintenance of law and order,
Okay.
and in
See, you have to be very clear. See, first you have to tell me work related to revenue side, work related to election side, work related to public supply.
So in revenue, they are the main source of implementation of the tax collections, then maintenance of law and order. Then in terms of society, they are responsible for maintaining distribution systems, seeing whether education and health related issues if there.
Then
Social
any
and
duty during
elections.
election.
I guess they have the implementation duties like to see division of powers.
If you are not sure, say no issues. Right? They are returning officer and assistant returning officers, deputy collectors. Okay. They have to make sure they have to check the electoral roll, they have to reform it, re-register it, remove some people. That is their prime duty. What is your opinion on current situation in Northeast,
I guess
especially in Manipur? Have you heard about any recent news related to Manipur?
yes.
Any ambush? Have you heard about called Lieutenant Colonel Viplav Tripathi, who got martyred.
No, sir, I'm not aware of it.
Are you aware of Geneva Convention?
Geneva Convention. Can I make a guess?
Yeah.
It's I guess related to climate change.
No, not like that. What is integrity for you?
Integrity means what you speak, what you have in your mind is the same thing. That is consistency between your mind and what you and your actions.
Does it have anything related to honesty?
Honesty.
If we say somebody is a person with integrity, so how do you describe that particular person?
Honesty is the subset of integrity. When a person is when a person has the qualities of integrity, honesty is imbibed in him. Like a person is integrate means that he will not do something which is not in his ethics.
See, all of us are using social media accounts. What is end-to-end transcription?
End-to-end transcription means the message is delivered to the same person without anyone interrupting in it. Like nobody other will have access to the same information that is being transferred.
Even though the company is guaranteed, but the same has been used many times by police.
Yes.
So how come they can expose such a conversation?
So because sometimes when the situation arises, they have the access. If something of national security is concerned, they can retrieve the data from the same thing.
Okay. What is the control of OTT platform right now? How they have been regulated?
I believe there is no law related to OTT right now. They are self-regulatory for now.
Okay. So do you think they should be self-regulated?
I believe that some
Just like censor board, we have some mechanism for our film industry. Don't you think there should be some mechanism?
Sir, personally I believe there should be some greater authority before them because there are different age groups related to them who access to the OTT platforms. So there should.
What is your stand on cryptocurrencies? Should we allow?
So for right now, Supreme Court has not given any judgments about it.
Sure.
So yeah, before Supreme Court has given the record that it should be banned, but now again the PIL has been filed and it has been no decision has been taken yet. But as soon as I am concerned, I guess cryptocurrency.
Can you explain blockchain in a simple words? You are from
Yes.
that field only, right? Somebody from your fraternity must have developed it. What is blockchain?
Blockchain means a connection of transformation, which works on edge system, where information is transferred without any middle person.
Alright. So what does it leave? It gives a permanent signature to each end, right?
Yes. The person who is getting the information is the only person who will have the right to give permission whether he should be included in the cryptocurrency transaction.
So can we use them in DBT? Do you think it will be a good idea to use blockchain technology in DBT related schemes? See, what we need some source that regulates everything, regulate every transaction which directly goes to its beneficiary. So don't you think we should use it in DBT related schemes?
Sir, right now there is no law related to it, so it cannot be used, but this can be a future where we can use cryptocurrency for DBT.
How many sustainable development goals are there?
17.
Can you name a few of them?
SDG 1 is related to poverty, unemployment and job growth, economic development. SDG 13 is related to climate change.
Yes, okay. Name some Ramsar sites in Gujarat. How many Ramsar sites are there in Gujarat?
So I cannot recall.
How
it.
many UNESCO heritage places are there in Gujarat?
There are 3 UNESCO places: Champaner,
Champaner
Champaner and Ahmedabad city,
and
and Rani Ki Vav.
where is
If I'm
Rani Ki
not
Vav?
wrong. Patan.
And what about Dholavira? Is it declared or not?
Yes, it is.
It is
It is
declared.
the 3rd place. Champaner is in Bihar.
Champaner is in
Yes.
Bihar. So what about the mosque complex near Pavagadh in Champaner? It is there.
Champaner is
It
there.
is there.
Yes.